Number 10. Thrust SSC. The Thrust SSC, or supersonic car, is a vehicle that has done more than just push the boundaries. It has shattered them. On October 15, 1997, in the Nevada desert, the Thrust SSC made history by becoming the first land vehicle to officially break the sound barrier, a feat previously reserved for aircraft. Driven by Royal Air Force fighter pilot Andy Green, the Thrust SSC reached a top speed of 763.035 miles per hour, breaking the sound barrier, and creating a sonic boom heard by those present. This record still stands, marking the Thrust SSC as the fastest car in the world. Designed by Richard Noble, Glenn Bosher, Ron Ayers and Jeremy Bliss, the Thrust SSC is far from your ordinary car. It's more akin to a jet on wheels, powered by two Rolls-Royce Spey 202 turbojet engines, the same engines used in the British F-4 Phantom II jet fighter, producing a total of 110,000 horsepower. The Thrust SSC is a testament to human ambition and the pursuit of speed. Its achievement is a landmark in the history of land vehicles, earning it a place of honor among the most unusual and extraordinary vehicles ever created. Number 9. EcoJet Concept Car. The EcoJet, a biofuel supercar, is a shining example of how eco-friendly concepts can be fused with high-performance vehicles. This remarkable supercar, a joint endeavor by the late-night television icon and car aficionado Jay Leno, alongside General Motors, emerged from an idea in Leno's garage in 2006. It stands as a testament to innovative automotive design, featuring a Honeywell LT101 turbine engine, ordinarily seen in helicopters, as its power source. This engine not only utilizes biodiesel, a renewable energy, but also propels the EcoJet with an exceptional 650 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. Despite its environmental leanings, the car doesn't hold back on performance, capable of reaching astounding speeds. The bodywork is a sleek amalgamation of carbon fiber over a lightweight aluminum and magnesium chassis, enhancing both its speed and efficiency. On the inside, the EcoJet boasts luxury with leather seating, an advanced touchscreen interface, and a premium sound system. Altogether, the EcoJet symbolizes the perfect blend of environmental sustainability and high-speed thrill, showcasing the potential for future sustainable transportation innovations. Number 8. Felino CB7 R. Felino is a Canadian supercar manufacturer, though not widely known, consistently produces vehicles that innovate within their segment. One notable example is the Felino CB7 R, a street-legal iteration of their CB7 race car. Introduced to the world at the 2020 Canadian International Auto Show, the CB7 R offers a choice between two engine options, a standard, 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering 525 horsepower and 486 pound-feet of torque, and a more titanic, naturally aspirated 7-liter V8 engine, producing a striking 700 horsepower and 580 pound-feet of torque. Strangely, regardless of the engine, the CB7 R rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Central to Felino's philosophy of exclusivity, only 10 CB7 R units will be built, with pricing set to start around $275,000 and almost every aspect of the car customizable. Number 7. Wienermobile. Since its inception in 1936, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile has cemented itself as perhaps the most iconic and delightful promotional vehicle created. Dreamed up by Carl G. Mayer, the nephew of Oscar Mayer himself, this unique hot dog-shaped car was designed to stand out as a novel advertising method for the company's products. Its whimsical design, resembling a giant hot dog in a bun, made it an instant favorite, capturing the hearts of Americans and embedding itself into the cultural landscape. Over the years, the Wienermobile has gone through several iterations, yet its fundamental concept remains steadfast. A fleet of these eye-catching vehicles traverses the United States, attending events and spreading joy. The drivers, affectionately known as hot doggers, are typically recent college graduates who undergo special training to navigate this one-of-a-kind vehicle. More than just a means of advertising, the Wienermobile represents the pinnacle of creative marketing, embodying a sense of fun, nostalgia, and a unique brand identity that has endured for decades. Number 6. BMW Isetta. Affectionately known as the bubble car, the BMW Isetta stands as an iconic microcar emblematic of post-World War II Europe's recovery phase. Boasting a distinctive egg shape and a unique, front-opening single door, this symbol of simplicity and practicality was originally designed by Italy's ISO SPA and licensed to various manufacturers, including BMW. When BMW introduced its version in 1955, it quickly became the most successful variant, thanks to a modified design and enhanced mechanics. The Isetta's hallmark, a front door that swings open with the steering wheel attached, allowing for easy entry and exit directly onto the pavement, was initially intended to facilitate parking by high curbs. However, this feature soon became the car's most recognizable attribute. Its compactness, innovative design, and fuel efficiency won the hearts of many, significant in mobilizing Europe during a time of rebuilding. Today, the BMW Isetta's enduring legacy serves as a testament to human resilience and ingenuity in overcoming adversity through innovation. Number 5. The Popemobile. The Popemobile stands out as a truly unique creation within the sphere of automobiles, tailored specifically for the Pontiff's public appearances. This personalized vehicle serves not only as a means of transportation but also as a mobile platform, enabling the Pope to be visible to his devotees while simultaneously ensuring his protection. Each version of the Popemobile is crafted to meet the Pope's particular requirements, and, regardless of the manufacturer, they typically share key characteristics, such as an elevated seating area, a custom-built chair, and bulletproof glass for the Pope's security. As an embodiment of religious traditions, security considerations, and modern innovation, the Popemobile continues to be one of the most extraordinary and iconic vehicles across the globe. Number 4. Tucker 48. The Tucker 48, also known as the Tucker Torpedo, stands as an emblem of automotive innovation that was starkly ahead of its time when Preston Tucker brought it to life in 1948. It boasted a wealth of revolutionary features that would not become mainstream for decades, including a third directional headlight that swiveled with the steering wheel to light up corners, a rear engine configuration for better balance, a perimeter frame for superior crash protection, and an integrated roll bar for heightened safety. The interior was just as pioneering, with a padded dashboard, seat belts, and an ejectable windshield, all safety measures that were virtually unheard of in the 1940s. Despite the technological leaps, only 51 units were produced before the Tucker Corporation succumbed to bankruptcy in the wake of a contentious securities investigation. Today, the Tucker 48 is a coveted collector's piece, epitomizing the spirit of innovation and the audacious vision of its creator, making it one of the most extraordinary vehicles in the annals of automotive design. Number 3. Vetter ETV. When one's eyes first land on the Vetter extraterrestrial vehicle, or ETV for short, it's easy to be whisked away in thought to the set of an imaginative science fiction saga. However, this vehicle isn't a figment of movie magic, it's a genuine automotive innovation born from the mind and garage of Mike Vetter in Sebastian, Florida. Far from being his inaugural project, Mike has been forging these otherworldly vehicles for over a decade and a half. His current model, a 15-foot testament to futuristic design, comes to life with the thrust of a 2.2L engine that commands a powerful 260 horsepower. The process of creating an ETV is no less extraordinary than the vehicle itself, taking around 6 months of craftsmanship at Vetter's own establishment, the Car Factory. This fabrication odyssey begins with the wheelbase of a donor vehicle being halved and subsequently elongated, setting the foundation for what's to come. From there, a custom body is meticulously shaped from both aluminum and fiberglass for optimal structural integrity and aesthetics before being affixed to the wheelbase to bring the ETV's distinctive silhouette to form. Those who are captivated by the idea of piloting such a distinct and street-legal craft should be ready to invest starting at $70,000. And for the most bespoke echelon of ETV enthusiasts, customization options can see the investment soar to $250,000, embodying the pinnacle of personalization in this extraterrestrial class of vehicles. Number 2. BMW Gina. The BMW Gina, an unparalleled concept car that stands for geometry and functions in end adaptations, is an embodiment of adaptive vehicle design and functionality. Launched in 2008, this car breaks away from conventional automotive design with its unique shape-shifting mechanism powered by novel materials. Its exteriors impeccably covered by a water-resistant, durable, and flexible fabric called spandex, stretched over a mobile wire mesh frame, allows the car to modify its shape based on external conditions and speeds. In response, the headlights aptly open akin to eyelids and the rear spoiler adjusts as needed, showcasing its uncanny adaptability. The inside of Gina is just as innovative, defined by a minimalistic design that morphs as per the driver's requirements. Upon starting the car, the steering wheel emerges and the seats modify their form based on the passenger's comfort preference. This innovative concept in automotive design pushes adaptability and functionality to new limits. Gina symbolizes a dramatic shift from traditional automotive concepts, encouraging a new perspective on car designs and the relationship between vehicles and their environments. This non-traditional design approach grants Gina a spot among the world's most extraordinary vehicles. Number 1. The Flatmobile. Meet the Flatmobile, the world's lowest car, and a testament to the adventurous spirit of automotive innovation. This Guinness World Record holder was created by British inventor Perry Watkins, who dared to challenge conventional car design. Standing a mere 19 inches tall, the Flatmobile boasts an extraordinary profile that doesn't just draw eyes but turns conventional engineering wisdom on its head. Watkins built this unique specimen on a Hillman Imp platform, then revolutionized it with a custom airbag suspension system, enabling it to seamlessly switch between normal driving height and its astounding record-setting stature. Under its hood, the Flatmobile is propelled by a jet engine, further distinguishing it and adding to its unique appeal. While its top speed is necessarily restrained due to height-induced stability constraints, it is the vehicle's novel design and engineering prowess that truly dazzle. To comply with street legality, Watkins meticulously fitted the Flatmobile with all required features, from fully functional headlights to an essential windscreen with wipers. The Flatmobile is much more than a car. It's a striking example of how boundary-pushing creativity can lead to the most unexpected and captivating inventions.